नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मैं पुष्पिंदर स्वागत करता हूं आपका एक बार फिर आपके अपने चैनल सैलरी ज्ञान और इन्वेस्टमेंट में, जहां मिलती हैं आपको सैलरी और इन्वेस्टमेंट से जुड़ी सारी जानकारियां। सो फ्रेंड्स, आई हैव मेड अ वीडियो yesterday about RCFL recruitment 2020 where I have talked to you about that RCFL has recently released the vacancies for management trainee, for engineer officer, for operator trainee. So today's video will be in continuation with that video. I am going to talk about the officer salary. What will be the salary an officer will get in RCFL, Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizers Limited. So today I'll talk about the salary which RCFL officer will get. Apart from this, I'll talk about the perks which RCFL officer will get, also the promotion policy of RCFL. So see the video till end, and if you have not subscribed the channel till now, please subscribe the channel because I give you a lot of information about salary and investment. So let's start. See, first of all, RCFL has only two plants. One is in Trombay, that is in Bombay. The second one is in Thal, so that is in Raigad. So Raigad is also not far from Bombay. It's almost 100 to 120 kilometers only. So if you are getting operating plant, you don't have to go here and there after promotion, after 3 years promotion, because RCFL has only two locations, so you will be posted in there only. Okay, but if you are getting in a marketing officer, then marketing job is all over across India, so you can be posted anywhere. So today I am going to tell you about the salary of officer which is posted in either Trombay or Thal. Okay, so let's start. The basic salary which officer recruited in RCFL get is 40,000 rupees. See, I am not talking about the training period. It's 1 year training period RCFL has conducted, in which you will get 30,000 rupees stipend. But after that 1 year, an officer will get the basic pay of 40,000. That is the pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000. Apart from this, you will also get a variable DA of 18.69%. Company has already written in its notification very clearly that you will get 18.69% variable DA, so that will be around 7467 rupees. Apart from this, see, Trombay is in Mumbai and Thal is in Raigad. Both comes under A sector, both comes under A class city, so you will get 24% of HRA. So 40,000 multiply by 0.24, that will be 9600 rupees your HRA. Apart from this, you will get perks of 34%. Company has written in its notification that company will give you 34% of perks. So 34% of basic, that means 13,600 rupees. So what will be your gross salary? If I will calculate the gross salary of yours, then that will be basic plus DA plus HRA plus perks. So that will be around 70,667 rupees. That is the salary which company has written in its notification, that you will get around 70,600 rupees for a officer grade. So this is the basic salary, but this is not your enhanced salary. So let's talk about what will be your enhanced salary. See, there will be some deduction happened from the RCFL side to its to the salary of officer. So what are the deductions? So the deductions will be: number 1, PF deduction; number 2, tax deduction; number 3, social welfare deduction. Apart from this, number 4, some benefits like SABF, that is super annuity benefit fund, some type of deduction of that. So you will get so company almost get 8 to 9,000 rupees deducted from your gross salary. So what will be the enhanced salary you will get? So you will get almost around 60 to 61,000 rupees enhanced salary at an officer grade, that to be even. I am not talking about E0 grade, I am talking about E1 grade. E0 grade is also there, that is assistant officer. So that salary, their basic salary starts from 30,000 rupees. So this is, I am talking about E1 grade officer salary. Okay, so this is about the salary. Now we'll talk about what are the perks which RCFL has give to his officers. So though RCFL is a mini Ratna company, so it doesn't give too much of perks, but the perks which RCFL is, that I am going to tell you. So number 1, accommodation. See, when you do job in Bombay, so the main problem for a person is where will be the accommodation. If you are getting accommodation from suppose 20 kilometers or 30 kilometers away from your plant, so that will be a hectic one. So in RCFL company give 90%, even 95% accommodation. If you are living in Thal, if you are getting posted in Thal, then you will get accommodation. If you are in Trombay, that is in Bombay, so there the accommodation depends upon the availability of quarters. So most probably company give you accommodation, so it will be a very big benefit, very big perks for a newly recruited officer or newly recruited student. So that will be first perk. Now on second I'll talk about PRP, that is performance related pay. See, company is a profit making company, that's so sure. Company makes profit, so it distribute its profit, it distribute its some percentage of profit to its employees, to its officer, to its staff or workers. So what will be your PRP in the year? That I am not that I can't tell you, because the profit of company varies, depends upon how much subsidy government gives, how much the price of fertilizers going on. So that all depends on that, because so the profit of company always varies every year, but you will get some percentage of that. So that will be the second perks. Number 3, I'll talk about free medical scheme. See, this is the main perk. See, you have seen in today's in present time that due to this COVID-19 pandemic, people are not getting treated. Okay, if they are going in civil hospital, then you know the conditions of civil hospital, and if you are going in private hospitals, then you know what are the charges private hospitals are taking from you. So that is a main perk. Here company gives full medical facility to you and to your dependent. You will not have to worry about any medical emergency. If you or your dependents get any medical emergency, that full payment of that will be bear by company itself. Okay, so that will be third perk, that is the most important perk. Okay, now on four I'll talk about accidental insurance. If something mishappening happened with you, then a company will give a huge amount to your family, to your nominees. That is accidental insurance. I don't want of something happening with you, but if by mistake, by mishappening, something happened with you, then company will take care of your family. So that is accidental insurance. Company give you accidental insurance. You will not have to take any outside accidental insurance like LIC or like any term insurance type. Company has provided you the accidental insurance. On number 5 I'll talk about fitness allowance. See, company has written in its notification, job in RCFL will be given to a person who is physically fit. Company has already written, you will not get recruited in company if you are not medically fit, if you are not physically fit. Company has written in its notification, until though you have qualified your personal test, you have qualified your personal interview, still you will not get job because of your physical fitness. So you will have to physically fit to work in this RCFL company. So company provide you physical fitness allowance around 6,000 to 7,000 rupees to every officer. So this is the fifth number of perk. Now I'll talk about the promotion policy of company. See, what will be your future in this company? What will be how much time it will take you to get promoted from one grade to other grade? So firstly I will talk about what are the grades available in company. So that is number 1, officer. I am talking about even grade. So even grade will be officer. After that you will promote it to assistant manager. After that you will promote it to deputy manager. After that you will promote it to manager, then senior manager, then chief manager, then deputy general manager, then GM, and then executive director. Now see, these are the promotions. Okay, now usually company has written that company gives promotion in 4 to 5 years. So the first 3 to 4 promotions you will get in 4 to 5 years, until unless you have not done any blunder mistake. If you have done any blunder mistake, then your promotion might be delayed. So the first 3 and 4 promotion you will get in 4 to 5 years. After that, means after manager, senior manager grade, the promotion depends on 360 evaluation, your past track, your past record, and number of vacancies available. So if number of vacancies available, then only you will be considered under promotion. Otherwise you will not get promoted. That is written in company policy. So I'll not say that you will not get promotion after manager or senior manager grade, but it will not depend on your seniority. It will highly depend on your past record. It will highly depend on your 360 evaluation and the number of vacancies. So this will be the promotion policy. Okay, so I think you have got all the information regarding RCFL, officer salary, officer perks, and officer promotion policy. I'll make one video tomorrow in which I am going to tell you about the operator, the salary of operator, RCFL operator. What will be the salary of RCFL operator? So this is from my side for today. So I'll meet you again in next video, in which I'll give you some more knowledge. So if you, once again, if you like this video, then please share this video with your friends. If you have not subscribed the channel till now, then please subscribe it, because I give you the information which you will not get anywhere else. So this is from my side for today. Be happy, be motivated. Namaste.